Welcome to Clean Production Story, where we unveil the mesmerizing journey of creating the world's most beloved chocolate-covered ice cream bars. Before entering the production floor, every single technician must pass through rigorous sanitation stations to ensure a completely sterile manufacturing environment. The journey begins at the receiving bay, where tanker trucks deliver thousands of liters of fresh milk and cream from local farms. Quality control starts immediately, as samples are rushed to the lab to verify freshness, fat content, and purity before processing begins. Once approved, the raw ingredients are pumped into these massive stainless steel silos, kept at strictly controlled temperatures to maintain absolute freshness. Automated dispensers precisely measure and release tons of sugar and cocoa powder, blending them with the milk base to create the mixture. Powerful mechanical agitators work tirelessly to blend these ingredients together, creating a perfectly smooth and consistent liquid ice cream base mix. The liquid mix travels through heat exchangers for pasteurization, a critical step that eliminates harmful bacteria while preserving the natural flavor profile. Next, the mixture enters the high-pressure homogenizer, which breaks down fat globules to ensure the final ice cream is incredibly smooth. The mixture is then pumped into aging tanks, where it rests for several hours at cool temperatures to fully develop its texture. Just before freezing, natural vanilla extract is injected into the line, infusing the mix with that signature aromatic and sweet fragrance. The liquid enters the continuous freezer, where it is whipped with air and frozen simultaneously to create a soft and creamy structure. Emerging from the freezer, the ice cream now has the consistency of soft serve, ready to be shaped into its iconic form. This massive rotary molding machine contains hundreds of individual molds, moving in a synchronized dance to produce thousands of bars per hour. High-precision nozzles descend to fill each mold cavity with the exact amount of semi-frozen ice cream, leaving zero room for error. Beneath the rotary table, the molds are submerged in a brine solution at minus 40 degrees, freezing the ice cream from the outside in. As the molds travel around the wheel, the intense cold penetrates the cream, rapidly transforming it from a soft paste into a solid block. Meanwhile, thousands of food-grade wooden sticks are loaded into a hopper, where they are automatically aligned and prepared for the next step. A mechanical arm, equipped with precise grippers, picks up a full row of sticks, positioning them perfectly above the partially frozen ice cream. With calculated force, the machine plunges the sticks into the center of the molds, while the ice cream is still soft enough to accept them. The bars continue their journey around the freezing wheel, allowing the ice cream to harden completely around the stick for a secure grip. To release the bars, the molds briefly pass through a warm brine bath, melting just the outermost microscopic layer of the ice cream. The extraction arm descends, grabs the sticks firmly, and lifts the frozen bars out of the molds in a satisfying and synchronized motion. Now suspended by their sticks, the naked ice cream bars travel along an overhead conveyor, heading towards the most delicious part of the process. Before dipping, the bars pass through a liquid nitrogen tunnel to ensure their surface is ultra-cold, which is crucial for the coating. Here we see the dipping tank, filled with premium chocolate that is constantly circulated and kept at a precise temperature to prevent seizing. The moment of transformation arrives as the conveyor lowers the frozen white bars towards the warm, inviting bath of liquid chocolate. In a split second, the bars are completely submerged, ensuring every millimeter of the ice cream is blanketed in a thick layer of cocoa. As they are lifted out, gravity does the work of removing excess chocolate, creating a uniform coating thickness across the entire product. The magic happens instantly as the warm chocolate meets the freezing ice cream, causing the shell to snap harden within mere seconds. For the almond variety, crushed roasted nuts are mixed directly into the chocolate, adhering to the bar to add a delightful, crunchy texture. The freshly coated bars now enter a post-dip cooling tunnel to firmly set the chocolate and ensure it won't melt during packaging. Inside this tunnel, chilled air circulates around the products, bringing the chocolate shell down to a stable temperature for handling. Emerging from the tunnel, the chocolate shell is now perfectly crisp and solid, ready to protect the creamy ice cream inside. A gentle release mechanism lays the bars flat onto the packaging conveyor, handling them delicately to prevent any cracks in the chocolate. Hundreds of finished bars march in perfect formation towards the wrapping station, a testament to the precision of modern food engineering. Massive rolls of food-grade foil wrapper are fed into the machine, which will create an airtight seal around each individual ice cream bar. The flow wrapper envelops each bar in foil, heat sealing the edges instantly to lock in freshness and ensure the product remains hygienic. Rotating blades cut the continuous packaging strip into individual units with incredible speed, synchronizing perfectly with the gap between products. Safety is paramount, so every single package passes through a sensitive metal detector to identify and reject any potential foreign contaminants. An automated checkware verifies that every bar meets the specific weight requirements, instantly rejecting any that are too light or heavy. Defective products are immediately blasted off the line by a precise jet of air, ensuring only perfect bars make it to the boxes. High-speed spider robots organize the individual bars into groups, preparing them to be loaded into multi-pack cartons for retail sale. Meanwhile, the cartoning machine pulls flat cardboard blanks and erects them into open boxes, ready to receive the grouped ice cream bars. A mechanical pusher slides the grouped bars gently into the waiting cartons, filling them efficiently without crushing the delicate contents inside. Hot melt glue is applied to the flaps, which are then folded and pressed shut, securing the product for its journey to the store. Laser coders print the batch number and expiration date on every box, providing full traceability for quality assurance and consumer safety. The finished cartons travel along a spiral conveyor system, elevating them to the palletizing area while allowing the glue to fully set. A heavy-duty palletizing robot picks up multiple cases at once, stacking them in an interlocking pattern to ensure stability during transport. Once the stack is complete, the entire pallet is wrapped in stretch film, locking the boxes together and protecting them from dust and moisture. Automated guided vehicles silently transport the finished pallets away from the packaging line, navigating the factory floor without human intervention. The pallets are stored in a massive automated warehouse kept at -25 degrees, waiting for distribution to markets around the globe. Logistics managers monitor the inventory levels in real time, ensuring that the cold chain remains unbroken from the factory to the retailer. Refrigerated trucks back into the sealed loading docks, ready to transport these frozen treats to supermarkets and convenience stores everywhere. Forklift operators efficiently load the pallets into the trucks, working quickly to minimize any temperature fluctuation during the transfer process. With the cargo securely loaded, the trucks depart the facility, carrying the delicious results of this complex engineering feat to consumers. At the supermarket, these ice cream bars are stocked in freezers, displaying their attractive packaging to tempt shoppers looking for a treat. A customer selects a box, unaware of the incredible journey and technology that went into creating the simple pleasure they are holding. Back at home, the moment of anticipation builds as the foil wrapper is peeled back to reveal the pristine chocolate coating inside. The first bite delivers that signature crack of the thick chocolate shell, followed immediately by the smooth, melting coolness of the vanilla cream. From raw milk and cocoa beans to the finished product, we have witnessed a perfect symphony of automation, hygiene, and culinary science. This facility operates with standards rivaling a hospital, proving that mass production can indeed be synonymous with exceptional cleanliness and quality. The intricate dance of these machines ensures that millions of people can enjoy the exact same high-quality experience, no matter where they are. It is a process that combines the raw power of heavy industry with the delicate touch required for fine confectionery making. While artisan ice cream has its charm, only this level of automation can feed the global demand for these frozen chocolate delights. As technology advances, these factories become even more efficient, reducing waste and energy consumption while delivering even tastier products to the world. Ultimately, all this complex machinery and engineering serves one simple human purpose: to bring a moment of pure joy and refreshment. Even the stick itself is a product of precision manufacturing, sustainable sourcing, and branding, leaving a final impression after the treat is gone. As day turns to night, the production line continues its rhythmic hum, preparing the next batch of millions of bars for tomorrow. We hope you enjoyed this deep dive into the fascinating world of industrial ice cream manufacturing and the engineering marvels behind it. If you found this process satisfying, be sure to check out our other videos exploring how your favorite snacks and drinks are made. Thank you for watching Clean Production Story. Subscribe now to discover more fascinating industrial secrets behind the products you use every day. Don't forget to hit the like button and share this video with your friends if you were amazed by this automated process. Leave a comment below telling us which factory process you would like us to uncover next, and we might just feature it. Until next time, keep staying curious about the world around you. This is Clean Production Story, signing off. See you in the next video.